Thank you for joining us. Welcome. Today we have a special guest, the CEO of IITSolution.org, Ihor Antoniuk. It's fantastic to have you here today. Let's dive into the world of AI. Could you tell us more about your first steps into AI projects? I'm betting it's quite a story.
Well, it started in 1998 when I created the first neural network entirely from scratch by using C++ language. It was a classical backpropagation algorithm using multi-layered perceptron network with a sigmoid activation function. I used supervised learning algorithm to detect cracks and drawbacks in composite materials, which can be successfully integrated into rockets of space industry. Later I used different algorithm neural networks toolbox available MATLAB package to compare and select the best algorithm for performance perspective and tune the process.
A rocket science AI in 1998? That sounds like a beginning something revolutionary. Speaking of which, everyone is talking about AI today. What truly separates AI projects from traditional software development?
Uh, well, great question. Uh, Traditional software is like following a very precise cookbook. You give exact instructions, the computer follows them. AI is more like having a sous chef who can not only follow recipes but also improvise, learn from mistake, potentially create entirely new dishes. The key difference is adaptability and ability to learn from mistakes rather than being constrained by predefined rules. It's like training a super smart assistant that gets better with experience.
So, AI is basically the creative chef of AI world. But does it mean that AI guarantees success for every business initiative?
If only. AI is not a magic wand, it's a powerful tool. But like any tool, its effectiveness depends upon how well you understand and apply it. I've seen brilliant AI project failed because they were solutions looking for a problem rather than solving a genuine business need of the users. And National Defense Research Institute identified five major root causes of this problem. First, it's industry stakeholders might not understand or miscommunicate what problems need to be solved by using AI. Second, many AI projects fail because organization lacks necessary data to adequately train the AI model actually. Third, in some cases, AI fail because organization focus more on using latest and greatest technology, but not on solving real problems of intended users. And fourth, organization might fail because it might not have adequate infrastructure for deploying AI model. And in some cases, AI projects fail because technology is applied to the problem that is too difficult to solve just by using AI.
That's intriguing. So, what separates successful AI projects from the ones that crashed and burned?
I would define three critical prerequisites. First, it's quality and relevance of data. Second, it's clear business problem definition. And third, it's multidisciplinary teams with knowledge in technical and domain information. Top reasons for failure. It's also well known. It's unrealistic expectations, lack of direction, poor data quality, insufficient understanding of problem domain, training AI and treating AI in general like a trend rather than a strategic solution. It's like trying to win a race without knowing the course and having a half-empty fuel tank.
Oh, thank you. Let's talk about the future. Crystal ball time. What exciting developments do you see coming in AI in the next decade?
Well, we are looking for transformations that will make our today's AI look like an abacus compared to a supercomputer. I would predict hyper-personalized AI systems that understand context almost like a human. We have started to discuss a project related to presenting AI based holographic assistants for a large luxury hotel segment. A vivid example where AI can substitute a service person actually and improve the guest experience by addressing their needs. It includes conversation via many languages, for example, and other interactions. Breakthrough in healthcare and financial markets with AI-driven predictive and prescriptive analytics. Self-driven flying taxis, electric vertical takeoff and landing without a driver. The first such flight has already been taken this year in Scotland airport. It's almost a reality. IAT and AI are combined together to get the future of transportation. Massive disruption in creative industry. I predict AI co-creating with humans. We already have this. And quantum computing meeting AI to solve unsolved complex problems. AI will revolutionize fraud detection and customer service. For cryptocurrency and blockchain, expect AI to enhance security and effectiveness of the applications.
Okay, wow. That sounds both exciting and slightly intimidating. Speaking of intimidating, the elephant in the room. Is there a risk of AI developing beyond the human control?
Well, it's less about AI controlling us, more about how we design and govern AI system. Ethical AI development is crucial. We need robust framework, transparency, and continuous human oversight. It's for sure. Think of it like raising a child. You provide guidance, set boundaries, but also allow room for learning and growth.
Okay, thank you. For our ambitious entrepreneurs and developers listening, what's your advice for launching a successful AI startup?
Solve real problem, not a hypothetical one. Stay humble and be ready to pivot. Understand your data as deeply as you understand your code. Network, collaborate, never stop learning.
Okay, we've talked about AI potential, but I'm curious, what does the actual journey of AI project look like? Can you walk us through the typical stages?
Absolutely. Think of a project like a complex recipe. It's not just about throwing ingredients together, but carefully choreographed process. Let me break it down for you. We start with a problem definition. I cannot stress it enough. It's like setting your own GPS before a road trip. Without a clear definition, you'll just be wandering. Take customer service chatbot for example. We don't just say let's make an AI chatbot. We define specific goals, reduce response times, improvise customer satisfaction, handle 70% of business query automatically.
So it's more strategic than just throwing technology at the problem.
Precisely. The next critical stages of of AI process is data collection and preparation. Imagine building a world-class athlete. You need the right nutrition, training, and preparation. For AI, that's data. We gather historical interaction, clear out inconsistency, handle missing values. It's like preparing a pristine training ground. Then comes exploratory data analysis, our detective work. We visualize data, hunt for problems. In chatbox example, we might discover peak interaction times and common customer query types.
Sounds like a lot of groundwork before the actual intelligence kick in.
Exactly. Model selection is where the magic starts brewing. We are essentially trying to different recipes. Neural networks, decision trees, support vector analysis, testing. Everything gives flavorable results. Model training is where digital sous chef learns. We need to feed it with data. Learning patterns. Hyperparameter tuning is like just adding salts and species to perfect the recipe. Then comes model evaluation. Our taste test. We check accuracy, precision, F1 score, recall, and how well our chef performs under the different conditions. Deployment is bringing our creation to the real world. We are not done. Monitoring and continuous improvement, next stages. So AI isn't just a set it and forget it technology. It's rather a learning, living system.
So it's more of ongoing project than a one-time project.
Absolutely. Ninth stage, continuous integration, continuous improvement, it's perhaps the most exciting. We are constantly incorporating new techniques, staying ahead of technological advancement. So it's like having a student who never stops learning.
Okay, an AI is always in school. Sounds like ultimate learner. Before we wrap up, I am sure our audience is buzzing with the question and on potential collaboration. How can they reach out to you?
Thank you. Great point. For everyone interested in AI deployment, potential partnership, collaboration, I just wanted to discuss initiative or technical solutions. I'm always open to meaningful conversation. They can reach me directly via email ihor.antoniuk@iitsolution.org. For those who prefer a quick call, they might phone me directly by my phone plus 48704 75246. Whether you're a startup founder, a developer with exciting AI concept, or a business looking for integration of AI solution, don't hesitate to contact me directly. I'm particularly interested in learning about innovative idea, how we can make real difference in this world using AI.
An open invitation to innovation. Any final thoughts?
Yes. Future AI isn't about replacing humans. It's about augmenting humans' potential. For curious, I would rather say be ethical, be curious. Remember, technology isn't just about tool, and the most important component is always going to be human creativity and empathy.
Thank you for this incredibly insightful conversation. We'll see you next time.
Thank you much. Thank you. Bye.